So the thing when we go into rental arbitrage, what makes our proposition so delicious for a landlord is we want to give them the experience where we're not going to be a typical tenant and we're not going to turn their world upside down. We're not going to call them for little things, for small, minute things. So like if there's a mouse, you know, we'll call our pest control guy. If there is a window or a clogged toilet, you know, we'll have our handyman come in and handle that. But the line in the sand is it cannot involve any of the major systems. And you know something is a system issue if it requires, you know, you to get some sort of permit from downtown. So electrical, that's a system. Uh, Anything with the roof and gutter, that's a system. If your utility company like OCNI had to have RG&E, you know, come because we smell gas, that's a system.